Hi everybody. Today we are introducing our powerful traditional kitchen product. This is the 10-inch stone mortar and pestle with leg model by OvenAid, also known as Kalvam, Imam Dasta, Kundi, bowl mortar and pestle. This large 10-inch model comes with a strong leg base design, giving excellent stability while grinding. Perfect for both home and heavy use. Made from high quality natural stone, heavy duty and long lasting, strong leg support and firm grip, deep bowl design for easy grinding, ideal size for spices, herbs and masalas. You can grind spices like pepper, garlic, ginger and dry masalas easily. Just place the ingredients inside. Use the pestle and crush or grind as needed. It gives better flavor compared to mixer grinders. No heat generation while grinding, so it keeps the natural aroma and nutrients intact. 100% chemical free and traditional cooking method. Used in Indian kitchens for generations, this stone mortar enhances taste and gives authentic results. Compared to smaller sizes, this 10-inch model is perfect for larger quantity grinding and daily cooking needs. The leg model gives extra comfort and stability. If you need this product, please visit our website in the description or WhatsApp the number displayed on the screen. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.